Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone. I'm Ekismawati with NPM 2341241 from Accounting Class 23A. In this video, I will explain about accounting in environmental conservation. Definition of environmental accounting. Environmental accounting is the process of identifying, measuring, recording, and reporting costs and benefits related to the environmental impacts of a company's activities. This concept expands traditional accounting practice, which usually focus only on financial transactions such as revenues, expense, assets, and liabilities. In environmental accounting, companies also recognize and record costs associated with environmental management and protection. For instance, companies may incur costs for waste treatment, pollution control systems, environmental training, energy efficiency programs, or investment in environmentally friendly technologies. These costs are not merely operational expense, but are considered strategic investments for long-term sustainability. The main objectives of environmental accounting are to provide clear and relevant information about environmental costs, support decision-making that considers environmental impacts, and exchange transparency as well as corporate accountability to stakeholders. By implementing environmental accounting, companies can better understand how their operational activities influence the environment, enabling them to balance economic performance with environmental responsibility and sustainability goals. Definition of environmental conservation. Environmental conservation refers to efforts to protect, maintain, and manage natural resources so that they remain sustainable and can be utilized by both present and future generations. This concept is crucial because natural resources such as water, forest, air, and soil are essential for human survival and economic activities. However, rapid industrialization, excessive research exploitation, and pollution have led to significant environmental degradation. Without proper conservation efforts, this research might become scarce or damaged beyond recovery. In the business context, companies play a vital role in environmental conservation. They can implement various initiatives such as proper waste management systems, reducing carbon emissions, conserving energy and water, using eco-friendly materials, and protecting surrounding ecosystems. These actions not only contribute to environmental sustainability but also support long-term business continuity and social responsibility. The relationship between accounting and environmental conservation. Accounting has an important role in supporting environmental conservation. First, accounting helps companies identify costs related to environmental protection, such as costs for waste management, pollution prevention, and environmental monitoring. This identification allows companies to clearly see how much they are investing in environmental protection. Second, accounting helps measure the environmental impact of business activities. This information allows companies to evaluate whether their operations are environmentally responsible. Third, accounting helps companies allocate funds for environmental programs and conservation activities. Without proper financial records, companies may find it difficult to plan and manage environmental investments. Therefore, accounting serves as an important tool that provides reliable information, helping companies make decisions that align economic objectives with environmental sustainability. Types of environmental costs in accounting. In environmental accounting, environmental costs are generally classified into several categories to facilitate better management and analysis. The first category is environmental prevention costs, which are costs incurred to prevent environmental damage before it occurs. Examples include installing pollution control equipment, adopting cleaner production process, and providing environmental training for employees. The second category is environmental detection costs, which involve monitoring and evaluating environmental performance. This includes environmental audits, inspections, and the use of environmental monitoring systems. The third category is internal failure costs, which arise when environmental issues occur within the company but can still be managed internally. Examples include waste treatment, recycling process, and handling production inefficiencies that generate pollution. The last category is external failure costs, which occur when environmental damage affects external parties such as communities or ecosystems. These costs may include environmental fines, legal penalties, compensation, or environmental restoration efforts. The role of accounting in conservation activities. Accounting supports environmental conservation activities in several ways. It acts as a bridge between environmental initiatives and financial decision-making. First, accounting helps measure the costs associated with conservation activities, such as investments in environmental protection equipment or waste treatment systems. This measurement ensures that conservation efforts are properly evaluated in terms of cost and benefit. Second, accounting allows companies to evaluate the efficiency of research use. By analyzing environmental costs, companies can identify opportunities to reduce waste, save energy, and improve operational efficiency. This leads to cost savings and better research management. Third, accounting also supports the preparation of sustainability reports. These reports provide information about a company's environmental, social, and economic performance. Such reports are increasingly important for stakeholders who prioritize sustainability and ethical business practice. Finally, environmental accounting supports environmentally friendly business strategies by integrating environmental considerations into financial planning and decision making. This integration ensures that sustainability becomes part of the company's core strategy rather than just an additional activity. Benefits of implementing environmental accounting. Implementing environmental accounting provides several important benefits for companies. These benefits are both financial and non-financial, contributing to long-term business success. First, it helps improve the efficiency of research utilization, such as energy, water, and raw materials. Efficient research use can reduce production costs and improve operational performance. This efficiency also reduces environmental impact, creating a win-win situation for the company and the environment. Second, environmental accounting can reduce long-term operational costs. For example, investing in energy-efficient technology may require high initial costs but can reduce energy expense over time. This reflects the concept of long-term investment for sustainability. Third, it enhances the company's image and reputation. Companies can demonstrate environmental responsibility are more likely to gain trust from customers, investors, and society. A strong reputation can also provide a competitive advantage in the market. In addition, environmental accounting helps companies comply with environmental regulations and encourage sustainable business practice. Compliance reduces the risk of legal penalties and ensures business continuity. Challenge in implementing environmental accounting. Despite its importance, the implementation of environmental accounting still faces several challenges. These challenges can hinder the effectiveness and adoption of environmental accounting practice. One challenge is the lack of uniform environmental accounting standards. Different companies may use different methods to measure and report environmental costs. This lack of standardization makes it difficult to compare environmental performance across companies. Another challenge is difficulty in measuring environmental impacts in financial terms. Some environmental impacts, such as biodiversity loss or ecosystem damage, are difficult to quantify. As a result, some environmental costs might not be fully reflected in financial reports. In addition, some companies still have limited awareness of environmental issues and may prioritize short-term profits over environmental responsibility. This mindset can slow down the adoption of sustainable practice. Finally, the initial cost of implementing environmental accounting systems can be relatively high, especially for companies that need to invest in new technologies or monitoring systems. However, these costs can be seen as long-term investments that provide future benefits. In conclusion, accounting plays an important role in supporting environmental conservation through the recording and reporting of environmental costs. It provides a structured approach to integrating environmental considerations into business operations. Environmental accounting allows companies to identify environmental costs, evaluate environmental performance, and make more responsible business decisions. This leads to improved accountability and better strategic planning. By implementing environmental accounting, companies can manage environmental impacts more effectively, improve research efficiency, and support sustainable development. It also helps companies align their goals with global sustainability initiatives. Therefore, environmental accounting is an important tool for achieving a balance between economic growth and environmental protection. In the long run, this balance is essential for ensuring both business sustainability and environmental preservation. So that's all for me. Thank you for watching, and wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.